Content creators are making a lot of money these days. It's just you and I that have been sleeping under a rock. In today's video, I'm going to be highlighting an all-in-one digital platform where you can sell products and make money as a creator. And in case you are just seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Alma and people love watching my videos. Do you love watching my videos? I'll let you answer that when you are done watching this one, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Mainstack, but most importantly, it is powered by Mainstack because this is the platform that I am about to start using to run my entire creator business. Imagine as a creator putting all your products, services, and links in one place and actually make money from it. What more could be better than that? Well, that's exactly what Mainstack does. Today, I'm going to show you how the platform works, why it is different from every other link in bio tool, and why it might be the game changer that you've been looking for. Many creators go through the struggle of selling a course on one platform, booking sessions on another platform, sharing every single thing in your link in bio, and still manually sending files or Zoom links to people's DMs. It can be scattered and it can be so time consuming. Mainstack is an all-in-one platform where you can have all of this in one. What Mainstack does is that you can do all of these different things in one platform. If you are a creator, a freelancer, a coach, a consultant, Mainstack helps you make money from what you already know. And the best part of all of this is that it is so effortless. Personally, as a creator, I am not really a business-oriented person in the sense that I've had ideas in the past to start a business here and there, and I've just always shied away from it because it can be a hassle, it can be crazy. But I have been able to gather so much knowledge in my 11-year journey of being a creator, and I feel like a lot of people will want to pay for the knowledge I have. While some of your creators do masterclasses via Zoom or via, all of this in video apps, I can actually write different ebooks on different content creation topics and sell them on Mainstack. Recently, I've been doing a lot of traveling and a lot of people are super duper interested in how I get to travel. They want a guide on how I take these trips to different countries and all of that. Even though I know I want a grand plan to maybe start like a travel agency or something, I can actually write different travel guides for different countries and sell them on Mainstack. As a creator, you can sell courses, ebooks, templates on this platform. If you are a coach or a consultant, you can offer your services and bookings on the platform. So for me, it is perfect for growing a business as a creator without the usual chaos and hassle that business comes with. And I think the one thing I love so much about this is that because it's an all-in-one platform, you can do everything on it. So I can decide to launch a new product, write a new ebook, write a new travel guide, offer a new course. All of these things will be on the same dashboard on Mainstack. The platform is very clean and professional, and it makes me look like I have one mega team behind me. Meanwhile, it's just me running things. And the great thing is that whether you are just starting your journey as a content creator or you're just like me who has been in this game for a very long time, two of us can benefit amicably from this platform. Mainstack accepts payments seamlessly. Whether your clients are local or international, anybody can pay for any of your services, any of your guides, any of your bookings, whatever it is on Mainstack. I also love the fact that you can actually customize your dashboard and customize your page to your own branding. For me, I'm so particular about that because I have a certain way I like my brand to be perceived. I don't want to throw in so many colors up and down the whole place. But Mainstack allows you to fully customize your page so it fits your brand seamlessly. One more thing I love about this platform is that you can see your analytics well. Like you can see what's going on behind the scenes, who is buying what from you, where your clicks are coming from. You can see how everything is working in detail. Again, I want to highlight here how easy it is to use the platform. Setting up is so easy. No coding, no stress. You just drag, drop, design, finish. Like it's not even hard at all. In a few minutes, you can have an amazing looking page that is also mobile friendly, which is great because to be very honest with you, most of our services as creators is mostly on mobile. That way people can easily click through it from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. The best part about Mainstack is aside selling your digital products on the platform to make money, Mainstack also has the Refer and Earn program. The Refer and Earn program is not a one-time reward at all, it is a way to constantly earn recurring commissions every single month. That's like passive income, and you can never have too much passive income. So here is how it works. When somebody signs up and starts selling on Mainstack using your referral link, you can earn up to 30% of Mainstack's platform fee from their account every month for as long as they keep using it. That's crazy. So just like me, if you're already sharing tips, tools, or resources with your community on social media, this is a really smart way to create another income stream that aligns with the values that your content is already giving. I'm going to leave my own referral link in the description box below. Sign in for the Refer and Earn program and start locking in monthly commissions. If you are already putting people on free tips, tricks here and there, you might as well start making money from it. Aside being a creator, for example, if you're a fitness coach, you can sell meal plans or take bookings for virtual sessions and even share your YouTube or your TikTok workout routines all in one place. I will always emphasize all in one platform. Or maybe you're a photographer, you love taking pictures, or you're a videographer. Your Mainstack can show your portfolio to your intending clients, and this will let people book you instantly for photo shoots and video shoots. Okay, so very quickly, a quick demo on some of the features that Mainstack has to offer. First up is my storefront. Obviously, if you are selling anything on Mainstack, you have to open a storefront, and this is me just quickly setting up my storefront. It is super duper easy to do this. Just include your URL, include the description of your store, your name of your business, and all your social media handles for your business as well. It is very quick and very, very easy. I also love that you can actually customize how you want your storefront to look as well. See me going with my normal pink colors because that's what I love. Okay, you can also see what your payment options are as well to set up your storefront. All the payment methods are there, and one thing I really love about this is that you can actually see all the eligible currencies that you can receive payment from. So many currencies all over the world, and then all of that is just easy peasy to do. You can see that the storefront is now live. And then also with regards to more features on Mainstack, I can actually go and set up my invoicing, because it's super duper important for you to have an invoice as a business owner, so that if somebody purchases a travel guide from you or an ebook or a course or something, you can easily issue an invoice in minutes, right? This is how to customize your invoice. I didn't really do much here, to be honest. I just left it as the default customization. You can see all the payment methods there, very, very easy. And yeah, in one click, I was able to set up my invoicing so quick. All right, moving on to bookings. I also have the ability to set up a bookings page here on Mainstack in case I want to take bookings from people for content creation, for creation of ads and all of that. That is something I'm going to explore as well very, very soon. Setting up my bookings page is so easy as well, and I love that I can customize every single page here on Mainstack to suit my brand. It also lets me to connect my calendars, so my Google calendars, my Outlook calendars, super duper easy. And then also, like I said before, you can actually host courses on Mainstack. So for those of you who like to do master classes or write ebooks or write courses for people, it's super easy as well for you to set up your course hub. I get a ton of requests from people to offer courses online, and this has just made that option or that business idea come to life. So yes, everything on Mainstack is so easy. I believe you can do it. So if you're ready to simplify your business and make it look the way it feels in your head, click the link in my description box to start building your own Mainstack. It is completely free to sign up, and you can launch your first product or service today. For me, I'm going to launch some ebooks and some travel guides there very soon. If you also want a more in-depth video on how I set up mine, let me know in the comments and I'll be ready to answer. There's so much money to be made as a creator, so get on this train, all right? If you guys enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comments section as always. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't.